Hello, I am I'm doing my first unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video before, but I'm so excited about this box that I'm gonna do it. And here it is. It is the Viome kit for testing the microbiome. Conflicting food advice is now obsolete. On this side it says, imagine living in a world where illness is optional. Very exciting. Normally I don't put myself in a position where rapper rage is inevitable on film. Oh, I've also got some booch going here in honor of the microbacteria, the microbiota, the microbiome. All right. Oh. Oh. Let's see what's happening here. The zipper box. Says the same thing on these. On the inside box. Very fancy. Danny's gonna like this. It's got the thing. Oh, snap. Thing. Get started. The steps below are required in order for us to process your results. Each new kit, retest kit, and replacement kit must be registered to your personal account. All right. Download the app. Collect your sample. All right. Oh, it's got another thing. Ah, snap. And in there it says, thank you for ordering. Gut intelligence. Ooh. Inside this box is a little thing. 3 easy steps. Use the tape measure to take your waist and hip measurements. It goes in the app. 2 stool collection papers. Oh, you attach that to your toilet. Ah. Ensure the paper sags slightly, and then deposit your stool onto the paper. All right. Uncap the brown tube. There's a solution inside the brown tube. There's a solution inside that brown tube. Don't let it spill. There's an attached scoop. Transfer 1 small scoop, not a heaping one, a small scoop of your stool to the brown tube and close it tightly. Shake it vigorously for 30 seconds. Allow the tube to rest for 30 seconds and then repeat the shake rest steps 2 more times. Shake, rest, and then ship it. All right. Seems pretty nice and smooth, easy steps to collect, and then they will test my microbiome and tell me all kinds of exciting things about what's happening with my little passengers. And what I should eat and what I should be supplementing. I'm cricket. So excited. Thank you very much, Viome.